Okay, Bearwood Brown on the driveway job. I'm just getting ready to do the cutting with the Spectrum blades, and I've just replaced one Spectrum blade with another one. The first one wasn't even worn out, but I got a brand new one on there, so I'm going to do a quick cut, and it's only going to be about a minute's worth of video. Okay, well, I had to turn that off so I could talk. So basically that, I'm not sure, it's about the same. Those blades cut about the same. So what I'm going to do is just keep using that one because it's about 1/8 of an inch bigger than the other one. And then one thing I was doing is I was not cutting at a really high speed. If I was in a hurry and dust wasn't a problem, I might speed it up a bit. But it is, so I'm just trying to not overpower the vacuum. So Bearwood Brown on the driveway repair job. Thanks for watching.